Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So this is pretty simple. First of all, open a Finder window by clicking on the Finder icon. So I'm choosing it. And after that, navigate to the location of the file you want to copy. So I'm choosing this 4K video download manager, and after that I'm choosing this file. And now press on your keyboard Command plus C together to copy it. I'm pressing Command plus C button together, and now we are gonna navigate to the folder where we want to paste the file. So for example, I want to paste the file on this Flutter folder. So here you have to press on your keyboard Command plus V together. So I'm pressing here Command plus V. And here you can see that the file has been copied here. So that's pretty simple, right? Alternatively, you can also copy it by selecting it and clicking on the right button on your mouse, or pressing on the Control button and click on the trackpad, and from the drop down menu you have to select copy, and now you can also paste that file into another folder. So I'm gonna paste it here. That's it. You have successfully copied and pasted files on your MacBook. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.